Okay, what's up guys? We're back with Pro Trials today. And today we'll be learning how to code a snake in under 10 minutes. Okay, it's very simple. So first of all, we just import random. Why? Well, because some of the elements in this game is going to be random, right? Then we import curses. Okay? So, first of all, it's very simple. We start out with like snake is equal to curses dot init scribble. Init script. And then you just put brackets. Simple, right? Okay, very simple. Even beginners can do it, okay? Then curses dot curse underscore set 0. Okay? 0. Yep. Then of course now we want to define what the snake height and the snake width is, right? So we just do like sw equal s dot get max yx. Very simple. So we just define it. Okay, now we're gonna define it, okay? Width is equal to curses dot new in. Then you just show the dimensions. Of course, the dimensions is the snake height, snake width, then 0, 0, the origin. Very simple. Then w.keypath1, so that the snake can move, you know. Keypath1 is obviously yeah. Now we're gonna do w dot
and then refresh the screen every 100 minutes.
My bad. We'll edit it out, okay? Now we just do w.timeout 100. Okay, so it times out after 100 seconds. Very simple. Okay, now we're done with this, right? This is the basic code. Now we're just gonna continue. The snake x. Okay. So we want the snake x movements to be a fourth of what the snake width is, so it doesn't move around too fast, right? So we're just gonna make it as snake width divided by 4. Then we're just gonna continue with the y. So when it moves up, it can't move too fast because you know most laptops have like a shorter height than the width. So we're just gonna make it a snake height but divided by 2. So they just move a bit slower. Now we're just gonna define what the snake dimensions are. We're just gonna define what the snake dimensions are. Alright? Snake dimensions easy. So snake underscore y to define the snake moving upwards, and then the height. Now snake underscore x to define the snake's width. Very simple. Okay. Oh my bad. That's a typo. Let me fix it first, guys. Okay. Okay, fix it. Continue now. Okay, so we've coded this part. Snake underscore y and then snake underscore x. Now what we're gonna do is we're just gonna copy paste a few times. Give me a moment. We're gonna copy paste. Okay, there. Very simple, right? Oh, sorry. And then after we copy paste that, we're just gonna make this -1. So you know, it gets longer and longer over time. Simple, right? Or it can move. This is an integral part of the code. Alright? And we're just gonna continue. Okay. Let's make it. Okay, now we're just gonna define what the food is, because the snake has to eat, right? So it can grow. So we're just gonna make it a bit smaller than the snake. If it's too big, it'll take up too much of the screen, right? Then give me a moment. I'm gonna code the food. Yeah. Okay. So the food is gonna be food 0, food 1. Simple. You just keep it simple. Like food 0, food 1. Yeah. Give me a moment. Let me take some time with this. And we use the curses function to just implement pi into this. Oh, sorry. This is supposed to be a comma. My bad, guys. Sorry. I'm a beginner. I've been coding for one month. No, I've learned this much. Give me a moment, okay? Now we just key underscore right. So you know so it moves. So the snake can move. Now we're just gonna make a boolean statement, okay? While equal true. Next underscore key is equal to w.get cheer. Okay. Now we're just gonna make this, okay? So we're just gonna continue this, okay? Key if next key underscore key is equal. So since it's like a boolean, we have to do 2 equals, right? This is beginner stuff, basically. Then -1 else next underscore key. It's very simple. Okay, then we're done with that. We're just gonna continue the next part. Okay, this is so far so good, right, guys? Okay. If now we're trying to make a statement. If snake 0 0, right? 0 0 in 0 0 we're talking about the snake height, or snake is equal to 0 1. Give me one. We're halfway there, guys. I'm trying to make this video 10 minutes. Let's just rush this a bit, okay? Or snake is 0 in snake 1. So these are just the conditions for if this snake moves. If, like, you know, if the snake hits the wall, we're just gonna make it like die immediately, right? So we're just gonna make the game end. That's why we use the curses function, so the game ends really easily. We could also use a sys function, but I prefer to use curses. It's just way easier for me. Then yeah, that's it. Now we're just gonna define a new head. So when it eats the food, it actually grows. New underscore head. Give me a moment. The same condition, snake, blah blah blah. Give me a moment. Sorry, let me just type this out for you guys real quick, right? Give me a moment. Guys, please subscribe so I can get 1,000 subscribers by the end of this year. Thank you. Give me a moment. Okay, there. We're done with that one. If okay, that's it, right? If now we're just gonna determine if key is equal to curse. Give me a moment. We're typing this out. Is equal to curse key down, because then it moves down, right? Curse key down. New underscore hit. Okay, give me a moment. New underscore head, and then 0, because the key is 0, right? Plus equal 1, so it grows by 1 height, right? Very simple. Now, but there's more conditions. This is not the only one, so we're just gonna copy paste this first, right? Let's keep it easy, guys. Sorry, it should be curses. My bad. New underscore head. Okay. Use some copy paste this in line of code. Okay. Yeah. My bad. I wasn't watching that video, I swear. Sorry, there's a lot of flaws with this code, but let me fix it first, okay? Down, left, right, up, okay? Sorry, this is my first time making a YouTube video. That's why I'm pretty bad. Give me a moment, okay, guys? Okay, up, very simple. Oh, and this should be 1, because you know like binary numbers, 1 1, so it can be changed. Give me a moment. These are all on the conditions. Now, okay, we're done with this one, right? And we just continue the code. Snake.insert. Give me a moment. 0 new head. We're gonna finish soon, guys. Give me a moment, okay? I thought this video was gonna last 10 minutes, but you know, my phone, it records slower. Is snake equal food? So when it touches the food, okay, we're just gonna make the food disappear, right? Food equal. Now my comp-sci teacher wouldn't like this thing because it's not very professional, but I like it. It's not logical based, but this is just program based, and it only works in Python. But yeah, just watch. Trust me, you're gonna love this. I've been coding for months. You can trust my code. Sorry, let me increase my brightness. It's a bit dark for me. Thank you. 1 sh minus 1, snake height minus 1, easy. Random, not random. Okay, sw minus 1, simple. S-width minus 1. Let me scroll down a bit. Okay, I know there's some glitches in my code, but I'll fix it later. Okay, now we're just gonna code this. Food equal and if and f not in snake else none. Simple. Some bugs in here. Okay, I'll fix it later. Maybe yeah. W dot add food I'm almost here. Else. Okay, we're almost there. Tail equals snake dot pop. We're almost there, guys. You buried me. Here. Good, good. I think I kind of fixed my code. Tail. Yeah, we have to add the tail, right? So it becomes longer. Because when it eats it, we have to make it longer. That's it. Fail 1. Simple. Okay, last line. Same line as this. Add ch, snake. Give me a moment, guys. I'm coding this. Give me a moment. Curses dot. Sorry, give me a moment, yeah. Curses dot ACS underscore C keyboard. Simple. Okay. Okay, we're almost there. We're almost there. Okay. What else do we need to do? Let's just okay. Let's see what's wrong with this. Oh, there's some problems here. Okay, give me a moment, guys. Now it's time to debug. Time to debug, you guys. Okay, I'm just gonna pause the video for now. But that's all basically. This code should work, but I'm gonna debug first. It's gonna be the next. Okay, guys, we're back on tutorials. Now we're gonna debug our code. Okay. So right now, what I see here is that this is a mistake. This should be dot key, right? Not underscore. True should be capital T, not caps lock. What else? This should be equal. We should define new underscore head as a variable, so it should be like that. And now we're gonna continue to okay, so this is there's a mistake here. So I think what the problem here is there should be a comma here. That's all. That's all. There, fixes the issue. Now we look. There's only one problem left, right? Fail. Fail should be else. And tail. Sorry. Okay, this is my bad. This should be int tail, not fail. Int tail 0 and give me a moment, okay, guys. This is my first time coding, so please don't judge if I'm explaining something not really well. And there, this should work now. This should be this should be. I should close the bracket first. There. Okay, let me just check my code one last time. Int tail. Okay, this is too far. Int tail close, yes. Int tail. I need to close this. I forgot. Sorry. Okay, this code should work. Okay, guys. Now we're just gonna play the code. Please, guys. Please. Type error integer army.
Do it.
Snake.py. Now we're just gonna run the code. Sorry. My laptop is very weak. It's the new 16-inch laptop. What's wrong with this code? It should work. Give me a moment, okay? Okay, guys, we're gonna cut for now. Okay, guys, so apparently the only issue is that I forgot to put this integer on the last line. This should be int, and this should be int as well. So the expected integer, but it came out as a float. But yeah, I fixed it already. Int, yeah, that's all. Now I'll go through my code again, so you can compare and see the difference. Yeah, I also put int here. Yeah, but everything else is the same. Yeah, cursor and when yes, everything's the same. Minus equal. I also had some issues here, but yeah, that's fixed. Yeah, that's my entire code. Let's just run it. Ready? Yeah, it's a bit glitchy. Let's save it first. save it first and we run it. There, that's the game. Yeah, see, I'm using my arrow keys and it works. It's very nice, right? Yeah. You can actually enlarge this, but yeah, but it works. That's really all that matters. Nope. Nope. Yeah. There you can see it again. Let me just make it full screen. Yeah. Yeah, but it works so far. There. That's it. Eat it. Yeah. Yay! Yeah, so that's basically it. We coded the entire thing in less than 10 minutes. Good job, guys. Yeah, also subscribe and like this video, and also maybe watch a couple other videos that you're interested in our channel. Thank you so much for watching and all the support, guys. Thank you.